There are several states that have restrictions on harvesting rainwater. What's up, Grumpy Nation? I'm on break, right? And I remember I did a video the other day on the sinking ship, right? So I just got a little more information for y'all. If you ain't seen that video yet, you can check it out on YouTube because it's a little longer than usual. But I got a little more info to give y'all, just so you know I ain't crazy and nothing like that, right? You know, I'm gonna give you some info. So there are several states that don't allow, that have restrictions on harvesting rainwater. God water, rain that fall out the sky. I'm gonna give you, let me see, Utah, Nevada, Oregon, Kansas, and Colorado. Right, that's what I found just right quick. It may be more. Colorado at one point had an outright ban on collecting rainwater, God water, man, that fall out the sky. So now it ain't illegal, but they got restrictions on like how many gallons you can collect and what you can use it for. Again, that's God water, man. And they restricting you from collecting God water. So, like I'm saying, man, the ship's sinking. So, these things just to be aware of. You know, I'm trying to give you the big picture so you can start preparing for some of this stuff. You know, ain't nothing to panic about. Like I said, ain't nothing to panic about, but just be aware that this stuff really happening, okay? So, that being said, hey, it's time to get some seed and put it in the soil, baby. I hope y'all doing that this year now. You should at least have one grow bag planned out for this year. Bell pepper, tomato, potato, something, okay? You don't want to come out here, don't wait till the last minute and think, oh, nah, see, if it get bad, then I'm gonna just grow me some food if it get bad. You're gonna be hungry, man. You're gonna be real hungry if you do that. You know, so get started a little early, get to see what it feel like. It ain't hard, you know what I'm saying? It ain't hard, but it take a little bit of work, you know what I'm saying? All right, Grumpy Nation. All right, man. I'll catch y'all on the next one.